morning. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and good morning for your free video today. We are looking at the E-Mini S&P 500. E-Mini S&P 500 futures contract. Market opened up right here today. All right. And we've had a big move to the downside. Big, nice move to the downside. We literally opened up 1952 area, dropped to 38, a 14-point movement to the downside, okay? But we've hit an area where this market should bounce minimum to 42. Now, most traders won't look at this and they wouldn't be looking to buy, but we bought this market and looking for a bounce. Again, we're looking for a bounce up to 41.5 to 42. This market's exhausted. We've hit some major support down in this level. Okay, let me mark this off for you. Okay, move it down. Major support down in here. So a very low risk trade. We've got a low risk, high probability trade. So the reward to risk on this is roughly 2 to 1. Okay, so we've dropped into the support. We're looking for the market to bounce up to roughly about 42 before we start even tightening any stops. Okay, we've got 9 contracts on right now, and you can look at the P&L right in here. Okay, and we're going to watch this. Okay, so we're going to be patient. We've got our stop now below the low of the day. Low of the day is 36.25, so our stop would be at 35.75 on this trade. And again, looking for this market to run up to roughly 42 area. So I'm going to pause the video. All right, I'm back now. I've got a sell limit to exit 6 of those contracts at 41.25. Market's taking a little longer than I thought. I thought we'd get a nice little spike up here a little quicker. So I lowered my limit order to 41.25. Take 6 off. That would leave me with 3. So we're going to exercise a little more patience here. We're going to wait. We're going to see if the market can take out that 40.25 here in the next few minutes, and I'll be back with you soon. All right, I am back, and it looks like the market's trying to push higher. Look at this right here on the high. Okay, we just took out the prior bar's high, so that's looking good. We're getting close to that 41.25. That's what we're looking for. That's our first objective here. Again, it's all about patience. It's waiting for that bounce. I thought that bounce would have come a little quicker than it has. But let's see, we got about 75 cents to go to get us out of majority of the position, which would be a good little trade here, a little bounce here, and this is exactly what we're looking for here. All right, I am back. It's taken a while. I'm going to sell 6 of them right now.
Order filled.
And there you go. So we locked in. Okay, 300 there. We still have 3 to go. So I'm going to lower this to 3. Quantity of 3. And I'm going to actually exit the remainder. I think this market's probably going to try to push lower. So I'm going to sell the remaining 3 and see what we
Order filled.
There we go. So we are flat, as you can see here. Okay, we're flat now. And the trade, we made $412. We got the little bounce we were expecting, but I was expecting more of a bounce to the upside, actually. So we'll see. Again, we call this an opening drive. We opened pretty much unchanged, and we dropped significantly, but we dropped into major support right in here. I was expecting a bounce, probably going to get the bounce, but I would expect the market to try to retest the low of the day before going higher. We'll see what happens, okay? Hope that helps in your own trading. Have a profitable day. Be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.